In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a privacy policy in Clickfunnel Classic. Having a visible privacy policy is important not only for building trust with your visitors, but also for meeting legal and platform requirements, especially if you're running ads or collecting user information. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through creating a dedicated privacy policy page inside Clickfunnel Classic and making sure it's properly set up and easy for your visitors to find. First, you'll want to open your Clickfunnel Classic account and head over to your workspace. From there, look for Workspace Settings. Inside Workspace Settings, locate the section labeled Pages. This is where all the pages connected to your workspace are managed, and it's also where you'll create your new privacy policy page. Once you're in the Pages area, click the button that says New Page. This will open up the page creation screen. Here, Clickfunnel Classic will show you a selection of page templates. You don't need anything fancy for a privacy policy, so feel free to choose a simple content or blank template that focuses on text. The goal is clarity and readability, not design complexity. After selecting your template, you'll be taken into the page editor. This is where you add your actual privacy policy content. If you already have a written privacy policy, you can paste it directly into the main content area and then format it with headings, paragraphs, and spacing so it's easy to scan. If you're using a generator or content from a legal professional, make sure you review it before adding it here so everything is accurate for your specific business and the way you collect data. Next, you'll want to customize the URL for this page. Go into the page settings and look for the field labeled Page URL. Change this to something clear and recognizable, like Privacy Policy. That way, your full link might look like yoursite.com/privacypolicy, which is what most people expect and what many ad platforms look for. While you're still in the settings, check the option that controls whether the page can be indexed in search engines. If you want people to be able to find your privacy policy through search, make sure Index in search engines is enabled. If you prefer it not to appear in search results, you can leave this disabled, but many businesses choose to keep it on for transparency. Finally, enable the option that says Add to Site Navigation. This will place a link to your privacy policy in your site's navigation menu, usually in the footer or header, depending on your theme. Having it in your navigation ensures visitors can easily find and review your policy from any page on your site. Once everything looks good, save your changes and publish the page. You've now successfully added a dedicated privacy policy page in Clickfunnel Classic, complete with a clean URL, proper visibility settings, and navigation access.